here, CryptoHead on Monday the 21st of December. I want to do a quick update on Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, because I think I see something interesting for the coming days. This is Bitcoin, and we do have taken out the highs yesterday evening, immediately a dump, but bouncing again. This is not completely what I expected yesterday. I was looking for a move to take out the lows and then go higher again. But that move did happen on Ether and on Litecoin. And you can already see here that I do have one more leg to the upside in my mind for Litecoin and for Ether. I do think Ether to 700. So more or less like this. So I would say here Ether, if it manages to bounce here, could do a bit of a correction this morning, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Litecoin the same, if it manages to break out here. This is actually, so we already have 1, we are doing 2 now, 3, 4, 5. But what is Bitcoin going to do? I do have here also for Bitcoin a fifth leg, but that fifth leg could be in place here. We do have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it is going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a bit of a chop, whereas Ether and Litecoin do make that bigger move, and Bitcoin just ranging and doing a lot of chop over the coming days. That idea is lining up with what I do see in Ether, in the Bitcoin pair. On the 4 hour, we did have this big drop last week, but there is bullish divergence. There was already bullish divergence earlier in the week, but again, and it is supporting my idea that Ether and Litecoin could be stronger than Bitcoin, meaning Bitcoin going sideways, what I just showed you, Ether, Litecoin becoming a bit stronger, and giving the opportunity to make those 5 legs, Ether dollar to 700, Litecoin to higher 120s, and Ether in the Bitcoin pair bouncing. When Ether Bitcoin manages to bounce here, that's a confirmation that Ether is outperforming Bitcoin. Same goes for Litecoin Bitcoin. It is a bit different pattern. It already had a strong impulsive move last week, and looks likely to me that it doesn't make here a very strong move to the downside, but this is just a correction, and we do see more upside in the coming days. There is no bearish divergence, anything, so looking good. Let me just check ADA. ADA is also showing bullish divergence, ADA in the Bitcoin pair, so should also see a bounce. I think it's a bounce towards new highs, but some recovery should be very logical. Link, yes, also bullish divergence. You can see here from it made a new low, but not in the RSI. So basically that means I do expect the alt versus Bitcoin pairs to bounce a bit in the coming days, meaning they are stronger than Bitcoin. Bitcoin, because of that, going sideways. Let me go to the 1 hour. Bitcoin going sideways and making this move. Oh. This move. Oh, come on. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And meaning this 5 is here. 3 will be there, and then we might see that that move lower to take out these lows, pull back towards 22k, and then up again, meaning Ether completing the 5th leg, 3, 4, 5, and the same goes for Litecoin. Both haven't completed this 5th leg. Bitcoin could have done it with the move last night. So like this is a possibility, but because of what I see in Ether and Litecoin in the dollar pair, they still need to make that 5th leg to the upside, and the bullish divergence in the Bitcoin pairs making me think coming days altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, Bitcoin going sideways. It's an interesting interesting. But I think it has a good chance. One last thing I want to mention, I do have a partnership with Bybit. There is a promotion going on. I told it last week to the Dutch community, but it is still valid. If you make a new account on my RefLink, it can be a Anon account. You don't have to do KYC, and just trade a minimum of 0.1 Bitcoin in the coming 5 days. And after that, forget that account and go back to your own account. But if you deposit at least 0.1 Bitcoin and do a trade, you can be one of the lucky winners of a ledger Nano X. Bybit is giving away free ledgers. So all you have to do, register on my RefLink. I will mention it in the description. Do a deposit of 0.1 Bitcoin minimum and one trade, and the 3 highest depositors will win. And I really don't care if you use the account only for to win the ledger and then forget about the account and go back to your personal account. I'm fine with that, absolutely. I just want someone or some 3 to win those ledgers. So use that RefLink and maybe make a trade on what I just showed you, and who knows, at the end of the week you have some profit and a ledger. Good luck guys, have a nice week.